Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the control board on this GE freestanding electric oven. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. A faulty main control would often result in many different failures in this unit. The most common would be is if it's not baking or broiling, maybe it's not sending the proper electricity down, or maybe it's keeping the elements on because the relay is stuck. You could have the clock where it's not illuminating any LEDs, or maybe when you press the buttons it's not working at all. To begin,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.